What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Joven, Tonic fam, Crow fam. I am back with some more bullish content for you guys in this video. Tonic is one of the most innovative DeFi projects in the space. We're gonna break down the newest trend that is gonna take the crypto space by storm and how it ties into Tonic. If you're a long-term diamond hand holder of Tonic, you're a strong Tectonian, you know, make some noise because we're gonna take over this crypto space, guys. I am telling you, we're gonna dive into it because there was a recent trend that took over crypto with artificial intelligence. A lot of AI projects did really well recently because there was a narrative for it. There was a lot of talks about AI just in general, right? In the global news, big companies invested in AI. After diving deep like I always do in researching, I found a bunch of articles and a bunch of things related to what's going to be the next trend in the crypto sphere and how it would tie into Tonic, because Tonic is one of those protocols that fall under this trend. The next trend that is going to take the crypto sphere by storm is called LSD. And I'm not talking about, a drug that you take at a party to have a whole lot of fun. No, I'm talking about liquid staking derivatives, guys. We're going to break down what that is, how it ties into Tonic. Tonic being a DeFi project, we could start to see that market share for Tonic start to carve itself out once this trend does indeed be the next trend, the next narrative that goes absolutely insane after the AI trend has had its time, right? If this is something that you're interested in, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Let's get to 3,000 subscribers, guys. Almost at 2,000. We just got off of 2,000. Let's get to 3,000 next. I appreciate all the support, Tonic fam. Please support my previous videos and my Tonic playlist. Also, huge shout outs to all the people I show love in the comment section. Chris, saying he liked and shared my Tonic video in a YouTube live stream. Shango, Kraken, Chef Benny, talking about the bots and scammers in the comment section. Please avoid the bots and scammers, guys. I delete the comments, but they still, they're so like relentless, right? It doesn't even make sense to delete their comments. But yeah, shout outs to everyone in the comment section supporting the videos. Johnny L as well. Let's go, Joven. Keep up the good work. Producer Boy 29. Shout out to all of you guys in the Tonic community that is showing support on the videos. I really appreciate it. First off, we got to go back to the Tonic Vino partnership. The Tonic Vino partnership announcement was a very huge deal once this trend takes off, the LSD trend in crypto. Now, what is going to spark the trend? If we take a look, let me see real quick, guys. This is the article right here before I go back to how it ties into Tonic. In September 2022, after the merge event was carried out, Ethereum transformed into proof of stake chain. They're about to do an upcoming event that is gonna upgrade Ethereum further, called the Shanghai upgrade, which is set for March, literally next month, which is going to fix the ETH staking issue, right? This is why we get into liquid staking. Liquid staking is a form of benefiting from owning certain cryptocurrencies, which allow users to stake their coins and still continue to use them for trading and decentralized exchanges like Uniswap. In addition, in the traditional variant of staking, users cannot retain this ability. Moreover, in many cases, their coins have to be staked for a certain period of time. Liquid staking is achieved with the help of a smart contract used to create a derivative of the staked coins while simultaneously keeping the original coins locked up in the wallet. Why are LSDs good? Liquid staking is gradually becoming more popular in the DeFi industry, making it a new and innovative way of earning passive income from your crypto assets. This is also a great alternative for crypto enthusiasts to take advantage of the crypto market. For instance, if the price of your stake coins is experiencing an increase, you can form a derivative of your asset and trade it on the decentralized exchange, giving you a higher chance to maximize your possible total revenue. Why does this relate to Tonic and the Vino partnership? Tonic is a DeFi project that also has liquid staking, right? It has right here the Tectonic ecosystem key facts. Similar to other DeFi protocols, Tonic has two main participants, being a protocol working on user-generated liquidity pools. Suppliers are incentivized to deposit assets in these pools with the promise of APY rewards. A recent snapshot of the interface showed supply APYs ranging from 0.677% to 8.9% depending on the asset supplied. This was written when Tonic was in its earlier phases, and obviously the protocol grew since then. And right here we have some of the different assets that you could supply and borrow and then earn APY, earn passive income from those assets. And right here we have wrapped Ethereum. You could also take a look at the website. When you just open the D app, you go to the website, open the D app, and then you connect your wallet, whether it could be MetaMask or the Crypto.com DeFi wallet, and then you could make use of the DeFi ecosystem for Tonic. Wrapped Ether is right here, and other stablecoin, Crow, Tonic, TUSD assets, right? And after doing so much of my research, it is definitely looking like LSD, liquid staking derivatives, is the next trend that is gonna blow in the crypto space, that is absolutely gonna go bonkers after the AI trend. Right here from Binance Killers, liquid staking LSDs, a narrative in Crypto.com. LSD projects, they mention some of the top LSD projects, but the ones that you gotta look out for is the hidden gems, the ones with smaller market caps, right? Staked ETH currently cannot be unstaked until the upcoming Shanghai upgrade in March, resulting in ETH being locked up and being capital inefficient. Liquid staking, one of the latest trends, solved this by allowing users to receive a liquid stake derivative token for staking ETH when they could use in DeFi. Right here on the Tonic website, you could supply and borrow wrapped ETH. Now, not much people are using it, 5% of people, but this is a place where the Ethereum holders get over to the Kronos chain, get their wrapped ETH, and take advantage of the protocol, the Tonic protocol, right? And one last article to close out the video, guys, where the Vino finance partnership with Tectonic will be very huge, and could help play into that future narrative when people move from the AI narrative to the LSD narrative. By staking Crow through Vino Finance, users will be able to earn both staking yield and DeFi yield at the same time. Once a user decides to stake their tokens through Vino Finance, they will receive a liquid version of Crow, L-Crow, with rewards that compound and accrue automatically. At the same time, holders of L-Crow will be able to use the token as a tradable cryptocurrency, liquidity provision cryptocurrency, or collateral across a range of partner decentralized applications such as Pharaoh and Tectonic, providing additional streams to earn rewards. So just like that, we'll have liquid staking derivatives in the Kronos ecosystem through the use of Vino and Tonic and their partnership. And then we have more and more users joining the Kronos ecosystem, more and more people from Ethereum coming over to the Kronos ecosystem, just because of this Shanghai update, and because of this narrative that could potentially blow all LSD projects to the next level. Even in the Discord right here, stake Crow on Vino to get L-Crow to supply on Tonic when available. It's just that these things are going to get rolled out, and the timing for it couldn't be more perfect. The timing couldn't be more perfect, guys. I'm telling you, this is some bullish stuff. We'll see what happens with it, guys. If you found any value in these videos, Tonic fam, Crow fam, I really appreciate it if you guys show support on the videos. Let's get 1,000 views, 2,000 views. Leave a like, leave a comment. Tonic to the moon. I do my best to research, dive deep, and bring this great content to you guys. And all I ask for is for you guys to tune in, support the videos, leave a like and comment. Thank you guys so much once again for watching. Everything Tonic and myself will be in the description. Tonic fam, I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.